How to turn on Bluetooth on Phantom GoGo Scooter. Follow these instructions. Press and hold the power button until the scooter turns on and a blinking blue light appears to signal Bluetooth is ready. Make sure the scooter's blue light is flashing. This means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode and ready to connect. Download the GoGo Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. This is the official app for 2025 models. Open the app, sign in or create an account, and give permission to access Bluetooth and location if asked. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth from settings and make sure it is in discoverable mode before pairing. In the app or Bluetooth settings, select your Phantom GoGo Scooter when it appears on the list of nearby devices. Once the app confirms connection, you'll be able to check speed, lock the scooter, and use Smart Ride features easily. Thank you for watching.